In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pop music on Soundtrap. We'll build a modern pop idea from scratch, keeping things simple and catchy so you can reuse the process. I'll guide you through the essentials right inside the Soundtrap studio. Open Soundtrap and start a new blank project. Set a pop tempo, around 100 to 120 BPM, and pick a comfortable key. Turn on the metronome and grid snap to keep things tight. Add a software instrument like a piano to sketch ideas, and rename tracks so the session stays organized. Now lay down a pop chord progression. A classic move is IV4 in your chosen key. In C major, that's C, G, M, F. Record the chords or draw them in, aiming for a 4 or 8 bar loop. Keep the rhythm simple, one chord per bar, and try inversion so the movement stays smooth. Loop the section so it plays while you build around it. Add a bass track to anchor the groove by following each chord's root. Start with long, steady notes, then add a touch of rhythm to lock with the kick you'll add next. Keep the low end clear by avoiding heavy left-hand piano, and use occasional octave jumps for interest. Bring in drums to supply energy. Use a clean kick, a snare or clap on 2 and 4, and tight hi-hats in steady eighths. For dance-leaning pop, try a kick on every beat. For a laid-back feel, leave more space. Quantize just enough and add a small variation or quick fill at the end of the loop. Finally, craft the hook, the most important piece. Start by humming or playing short phrases over the loop until something sticks. Stay mostly within the key and aim to land on chord tones at strong beats. That's what makes the melody feel anchored. Build a tiny motif of 3 to 5 notes, repeat it, then change the ending the second time to keep listeners engaged. Contrast is your friend. Pair a smooth legato line in the verse with a punchier rhythm in the chorus, or jump up an octave to lift the energy. Leave breathing room between phrases so each idea can shine. If you're using Soundtrap instruments, try a bright lead synth or pluck. If you sing, record a rough vocal and layer a simple harmony on the chorus. When the melody lingers in your head after a few loops, you've found your hook.